before I start, important message. I haven't got any sponsors. Now, what I'm going to say to you guys is this. What I'd like you to do is, before you start watching this video, if you do, like and subscribe and press that little alarm bell button, because what seems to be happening is YouTube seems to be making it very, very difficult for us to get any sort of viewing figures. So I come up here to have a little bit of a thing. I think YouTuber. Anyway, but other than that, it's not bad. We've been doing quite a lot, and I come up here to see the results of yesterday's carnage. And I think I did tell you last night that leading vertical surfaces is not easy. So I'm going to have a go at it, possibly not today. Maybe it's because I did work quite late last night doing that, doing the brakes. And for in case anyone's worrying about the brakes, check on the YouTube channels about the brake modifications on Volvo carpers. And I did it in America years ago. So at the minute, I'd like to say that I'm quite chuffed with how that's come out on the other side. A little bit more I put in there. I could do a little bit more on this side. I'm going to do this door. If I could get the enthusiasm, I think we're not going to be trying it. You can see down the side of there if you look at this real mudroom. I'm going to try and get the worst of it out and then just tack it, so, and then the worst of that and then just paint it. I'm not interested in being anything other than just a driving 2+2 that I can get in and drive. Now, my big plan for today was to come out here early and do loads of work, and that's not. Main reason being because I did loads yesterday, and I've got to be in the frame of mind, as you say. Yesterday I was towards the end of the evening when I consumed God knows how many bottles of that wine. I actually got carried away. Did lots. So I don't know, I won't try and say to myself that I wasn't doing this drinking so too much, which I think I probably was, or am. But at the minute, we're still producing something, or I'm still producing something. So at the minute, I'm going to say that, you know, it's coming together. Whether we make it or not, I don't know. If we make it, it'll probably not be very pretty. So don't worry about that, because I'm not going to be driving it, so not. But other than that, it's coming on pretty good. Leading to do, we know the screen fits. I've got another video about that, so my boy hasn't put it on yet. Got a little bit of a problem on the calipers. The spacer washers, I don't know whether I said this last night, I might have done, but the spacer washers on this side, the spacer washer is fouling. On that side, because basically there's two in this side fouls, that side there's one in it clears. So I've got to put about 25 thou behind the mountie on that side to centralise the caliper, which is obviously on the list. Then I can get the split pins through, brake pipes can be tightened in, and then realistically that is done. That brake system is sorted. Anything else? Oh yeah, I think he's doing a video about that, but the gold chains have been hit in the car, so they are in there somewhere. So that's a sort of an unusual thing, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, guys. Fenders, obviously, you know, last night was doing rack gears, and I think I'll do something about this. How was that? Sounded like Zulu's coming. Yeah, anyway, we're not on this particular little model, because she's quite a late car, as you can see. I've got to get my light lenses out of the bonnet, side lights. I think I've got some actually in the other one, so I don't know. We're going to have a look at that. That might be something I'm going to do. And I've also keep trying to get the cat on. There is a chrome, I've got the chrome trim for under there, so I'm not overly too worried about any of that in a minute. I've got the pan to go in the front. I've got to cut back out one of these bonnets and try and put it here to hide that, but that'll be on the list. That's on the list. And other than that, I think it looks alright. And as regards to yesterday's leading, well, I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I'm looking forward to doing those other ones. So like I said, guys, that's as far as we've got now. But it's coming on better, but it's hard. It's hard. So as I said, I'm gonna keep going. Talk to you soon. Bye.